that details you will not be able to see, but anyways I'll explain what parts are covered in that. Hello folks, today we will be unboxing Ola Money SBI credit card which I have received from Ola Money. So today is 29th of August, and I had applied for this card on 7th of August. So within a span of let's say 20-22 days they are able to deliver this card, and now I am going to unbox this particular card, and let us see what and all things are inside. Okay, so it is not basically unboxing, so since there is no box, so it is more like uncovering. And this particular courier was received within 2 days, and it was sent from Courier Blue Dart. And this is the box which it comes in with the Ola and SBI card logo. At least the packaging part looks premium. So let me try to open this. I think okay, let me keep this box aside. This is the enclosure in which the card will be there, and you can see the logo of Ola and SBI card, designed in India. Along with that there is some documents. Okay, so this is saying all the benefits and basic steps, and at the other side it has all my personal detail like card number and what is the credit limit. I'm not going to show that. Okay, this is the terms and conditions booklet. Okay, at least hard copy is given. Generally nowadays everyone will just send a soft copy. If you want to read all the terms and condition of this card, you can go through that. It is almost 54 pages of the book of all the terms and conditions. Okay, this is a welcome card from Ola, and it is signed by both Ola CEO and SBI card chief. Okay, so in the box with the card there was one welcome note, and there was one book for terms and conditions, and there was one leaflet with the activation procedure. Okay, let me just try to open the enclosure and will go through the card. I have masked my personal details, so that details you will not be able to see, but anyways I'll explain what parts are covered in that. You can see that the packaging and the welcome thing is quite nice, and you actually feel extraordinary. So they have written get used to extraordinary. So this is nice packaging, and I would say for a credit card this kind of packaging is rare, and it feels good, it feels premium. This is the Visa Ola SBI card, and this particular section has your name printed on it, and before the dispatch and final verification they will also ask what name to be printed here, so you can customize that also. Okay, and the other side you can see the logo of Ola, and you can see the SBI card logo also, and there is a place where you have to put your signature. And this particular area which I have covered, it will have your 16 digit card number. Along with that, there will be a expiry date of month and year, and it will have a CVV code also. So I have marked it. But this particular card, compared to the other credit cards, it looks definitely different, and generally it will, most of the cards will be in a landscape kind of mode. This is the first card I'm using with the portrait mode, wherein all your details are mentioned in portrait. Coming to benefits of this, basically I wanted one card which will give me a lot of cashback when used on various sites for travel and even for Ola. And this particular Ola SBI card, it is having a lot of cashback features, and I will tell one by one. So the first important thing is that whenever you use this card to pay for any Ola ride, so you will get 7% cashback, and when you use on flights, you will get 5% cashback. When you use on domestic hotel bookings through ClearTrip app, you will get 20% of cashback. When you book on international hotel bookings, it is again 6% cashback. And the important thing is there is no joining fee for this card, so that means you don't have to pay any joining fee for first year. So second year onwards there will be 499 rupees which you have to pay, and again if you spend more than 1 lakh rupees, that will be waived off. So there is a 20% cashback on dine out. So if you are using Dine Out app to pay for any dining experience, then you can get 20% cashback. So 1% fuel surcharge waiver on all fuel transactions. So that is mostly there in almost all the credit cards. And last thing is 1% back on all other spends. So wherever you use this card, either in offline or online, you get 1% back. And the overall experience of buying this subscribing and buying this card was good, and without much of follow-up, KYC was done and all the documents were collected, and within span of 3 weeks I got my card. And even before the card was received, my card was activated virtually, and I was able to use the card for many transactions. So let me just tell you some basics of how to use this card, and how do you check the cashback and where the cashback will be deposited. So for this I will make a video through my mobile screen. Now I'll try to explain how the transaction things, and how to check the payment and cashback status through Ola Money app. So go to your home screen, open the Ola Money app. If you already not using the Ola Money app, then you have to download this particular app. Since I'm already using this app is there, I'm using Ola Money Postpaid also. It almost acts like a credit card, and you can keep on using this for transaction at various sites. And once the bill is generated, you have to clear this bill. So you can see 5300 bill is generated, and I have to clear it by 3rd of September. So I try to clear this due with the SBI credit card. As per the site, it should be done, and I should get a cashback of 7%. But somehow it is not allowing me to do that. So I have contacted SBI Ola support also, but so far they have not replied. And one important thing you have to remember is that even though all this process is very simple and straightforward, if you are having some query, or you have some things which have to be clarified by Ola, then there is no direct customer support, you can see. And you will have to directly go to SBI only, and mail support is there, but again you will have to wait for 1 or 2 days to get a reply. Okay, so coming to the credit card part, you can see that once you apply for the card, this particular credit card section will be generated. So you can see that I've already used this section for transaction, so it is showing that deducted amount. So that is the available credit limit. So let me just show you the transaction. Okay, once you click that, it will send you a OTP on your cell number, and you have to type in that OTP. Okay, once you put the OTP, your transaction, and what are the offers available, and what are some basic operation which can be done here, so that everything is shown here. So what I liked about this is, rather than directly going to SBI app, you can check all your transaction details here only. Okay, so let me just show you the transaction detail. So you can see that I've done three transaction here. So yesterday I've done two transaction at no broker for paying the rent, and you can see that for 15,918 and 4,281, the cashback is still under processing, and it is not reflecting. So once the cashback is generated, so that will be auto credited in your Ola Money wallet. So they are claiming that cashback should be generated within 3 days, and same will be available in your Ola Money wallet. So that is one attractive thing which I found. Generally all the credit card, they either make you wait till the billing cycle is completed, so that the particular cashback is generated and credited. In this they are claiming within 3 days they will be able to give the cashback, which is a unique selling point as per me. And also, if you are interested in this card, and if you apply for this card before 15th of September 2020, that is within, let us say, 15-17 days, you will get a welcome bonus of 10,000 rupees worth of different gift vouchers. So that is this feature: unlock your welcome offers by simply making a transaction. So you can see that I've already made two transaction, but somehow these gift vouchers are not unlocked yet. So for this also I have written to Ola. They are yet to come back with the reply. And this also is a good feature, wherein by just applying to the card you will get different vouchers of 10,000 worth. And you can see that there is Amazon, Tata Click, Dine Out, Clear Trip, Ease My Trip, Cull.fit, Daily Objects, and there are many more: Medlife, Pepperfry, Beardo. So some of these things I have not used personally, but since voucher will be there, maybe I will use it. You can see the cashback is shown as pending, pending, pending for all the three transaction, and within that 3 days it should come in your wallet section, which is this. So once that cashback is generated, it will be reflected in wallet of Ola Money wallet. So within 3 days your cashback will be credited, and it is ready to use. So overall experience with the Ola SBI credit card, I felt it is good, and response is also very fast, at least till the card is received. Now maybe once I use this for long term, I'll make a detailed video on all the experience I had with this particular card. So far it is good, and the card, just using the card and holding the card, it feels premium. So if you are using Ola for regular travel and lot of outstation travel, then you should definitely have this card. So it comes with the hotel stay cashbacks also, and dine out cashbacks also. If you are staying in metro cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, then I think this is a must have card. And just remember that all the cashbacks of all sorts, everything is having a cap. Let us say for 7% cashback on Ola cabs, there is a cap of 500 rupees per month per cycle. So everything has a cap. but still if for moderate to average use, that will serve the purpose, and you can save a lot of money through cashback, and that money can be used in other expenditure. So that is it from my side for this particular video. If you have any queries or issues with understanding, please drop comments. I will try to answer that as soon as possible. Okay, that's it. Bye.